I'm really gonna show this. I'm scared. Okay guys, so welcome to my channel. This is Your Health in Your Life with Selena. I wanted to make this video, which I don't even know if I'm gonna post it or not because I'm freaking scared. I wanted to show my insecurities, which is my body. I do not love my body, which is so bad to say because you only get one body. So I wanted to make this video because I feel like this year I want to love my body. I only get one body. I need to stop being so insecure about everything that I don't like about myself. And so I wanted just to make this video to be accountable for myself to get into shape and eat healthy and start working out and eventually start a fitness blog or vlog. And I wanted to make this because I am so insecure about myself and I want to love myself because I'm really sick of not loving myself. I feel like I'm the hardest person on my body and my mind, and I looked back and I watched this video about, it was like on TikTok or something, and this girl talked about, if you had a child, would you ever tell your child that she's ugly, that she's fat, that she has crooked teeth, that she has bad skin? You would never ever tell your child that. So why do you tell yourself that every single day? So that's why I wanted to make this video. But so let me just show you. So like, I don't like my belly at all. Like, if you look at my skin, it's really bad. I feel like I have tinea versicolor, but that's because I researched everything. I haven't really gone to a doctor to talk about it, but you can see that my skin is really blotchy. I have it all over my chest, my stomach, and my back for sure. And when I drink alcohol, I feel like it comes out a lot. Like it's just white and red blotches all over. So I don't know if I'm allergic to something. Maybe I need to cut out gluten or dairy. I try to not have dairy anyway. Like I don't drink milk, but I do have cheese every once in a while. I also hate my keloid, if you can see. This was a pimple that turned into a keloid, and I feel like if you research about it, it's a lot of Asians and African Americans get keloids because their pigmentation in their skin is a little bit different than other people. So I have a keloid there that I absolutely hate and I'm really self-conscious about. I also have a small keloid here, if you can see. I used to have a dermal piercing and then it got rejected, so I removed it and I left a little scar. Obviously you can tell, if you can tell by I'm talking, I have retainers in because I'm trying to fix my teeth because my teeth are really crooked. And most of all is I don't like my body and I'm trying to love it and it's so hard. My dogs probably think I'm crazy. But it's so hard because I don't like my stomach at all. I feel like I like my legs and my arms sometimes. But I just don't like my inner area. So I feel like if I post this video, it'll motivate me to really actually stick to working out because I always will be working out for a week consistently and then I kind of drop off after the weekend, or I'll binge eat. I'll be eating really healthy and then I start to binge eat. Yeah, so I just need to be accountable and just stick to a plan and actually get it done, because I feel like if I do that, then I can start to love my body a lot more and be proud of myself. Okay, I'm gonna cut because I need to go put a shirt on. I'll be back! So I wanted to come back and just say that everyone's body is beautiful. Just because I don't like mine or I don't like certain things about myself does not mean that you, whoever is watching, is not beautiful. I feel like a lot of people do come to me for advice and stuff, and I feel like I'm pretty good at giving people advice like about loving yourself and not caring about what other people think or judging yourself for anything. And when it comes to myself, I don't practice what I preach. And why do I do that? That's so bad, right? So I just wanted to come on here just so I can be accountable for myself. Like, girl, get your shit together. Like, you need to start loving yourself. It's honestly about my confidence. I am maybe on my Instagram, I might seem like I'm confident, but like I nitpick everything about that picture in my mind. I don't really say it out loud or anything, but like I'm like, oh, my legs are really fat in that picture, or my stomach is like bulging over my jeans, or you know, whatever the issue may be. I need to be confident in myself, and I feel like this year I really want to do that. I want to be happy about my body and not care about what people think or care about judgments or care. I honestly think because of social media, like you see all these beautiful models and these beautiful people posting their pictures, and their confidence is, I think, is what I envy. Their confidence to post a picture of their stomach, to post something like that and not care about what people think or care about judgments that people are gonna make on you, is what I want my mindset to be. Is like, dude, just do it. Like, just fucking do it. Also, another thing I would say makes me so insecure is living in Las Vegas. Vegas is a very competitive city. There are beautiful women all over the world that come and live here because they come and work at the pools, they come and work at the clubs. Obviously not right now because of the pandemic, but like, their confidence is what I envy. I want to be able to go to a pool audition and not care about what people think and walk in there like I own the place and get that job, you know, because they make so much money just the way they look and just the way they carry themselves. And at work, it might not seem like I'm like that either. Like, I feel like I am outgoing and I carry myself well sometimes, but on the inside, I'm like, oh, are people looking at my stomach, or like, are people looking at my keloid scar because you can see it in my dress at work? Like, why do I do that to myself? I don't know. But what I want to do is, I think I want to do like a 30-day like confidence booster or something. So like writing down what I love about myself every day, like the one thing every day, write something I love about myself. So like write that I love my legs, I love my hair today, or I love my body today because I felt skinny when I woke up. You know, like, it's not all about the physical things of my body that I want to love about myself. It's more mentally, like building confidence. That way I do love my body, you know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is start writing and journaling, and I'm gonna post this freaking video so I can become accountable and prove to you guys and myself, so when I watch this video again, that I made progress in working out and eating healthier and just loving myself. So I'm gonna work out today just at home because I have like Chrissy Sela's app and I love it. So I'm just gonna do her body workouts at home, and then I have a couple weights, and then I'll do like Chloe Ting workouts. Maybe I'll do like a 2-week challenge or something, and just try to build myself up, and then try to figure out what's wrong with my skin, and really go to the doctor and stop saying that I'm gonna go to the doctor and never go, but like actually get up and go. And try to get maybe some blood work just to see what's going on internally. But I need a cleanse. I need to change my lifestyle, you know, actually focus on myself and focus on loving myself and focus on becoming confident and hopefully just change my life. I'm 27 years old. I need to stop being lazy and become accountable for my actions, and yeah, let's get it started. I want to know if you guys are struggling with the same thing. Like, if you guys can comment, like, subscribe, and just tell me what's going on with your life, and maybe I can help you build that confidence as I build my confidence. So I'm excited. I keep telling myself that I'm excited for this new journey. I feel like something's gonna be changing for me, mentally and physically. I want to become stronger. I want to be able to lift heavy weights and get that muscle, you know? So I'm excited.
Maybe I'll get a trainer if I have the money. I'm gonna write things I love about myself and things I want to release about myself. So I am, in first person, I am, hello, confident. I love my body. I love my stomach. I love my legs. I love myself. And I also want to release, I release judgment on myself. I release being hard on myself. I release hating my stomach. I release hating my skin and my scars. I think I'm gonna also do some like self-love meditations because I feel like those are pretty helpful too. I'll let you know how it all goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so thankful for you. Bye. So I'm super excited about this one. This is from Olio, my boyfriend's meal prep company. So it's gonna be about 5 ounces of chicken, feta, there's salad under there, and this is a lemon rice with tzatziki dressing. If anyone knows me, they obviously know I am a food lover. I love to eat. However, I need to have a healthier relationship with my food. I need to not binge so much and not binge on unhealthy items. Food needs to be nutritious for you. However, I'm still learning. Please bear with me, and thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I'm so excited. Bye, guys.